Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron naman tayong bagong video na alamin na dito takang yung araw nito. Ito ay galing kay Update PA. Sabi nga niya dito, the United States will donate 2 Bell AH-1Z Viper attack helicopters to the Philippines. Yeah. Pwede ito kasi pamalit natin ito sa Cobra helicopter din natin na dinicommission na natin at pinagpahinga na natin dahil sobrang na rin yun. Tandaan na rin ang ating attack helicopter na to. Ito at least to Viper attack helicopter, di ba? Na dalawa na idodonate ng United States sa atin. Pero syempre hindi brand new to, di ba? Ano to? Second hand na do-donate sa atin. Pero okay lang yan. Once, at least, working pa naman siguro yan. At pwede pang tumagal sa ating bansa na paggamit natin yan. Kasi donation naman pa yan. Diba? Sabi ko, lagi ko nga sinasabi, basta donation, tatanggapin natin at tatanggapin yan. Diba? Kasi wala na tayo, hindi na tayo gagastos pa ng sobrang mahal. Pwede na yung logistics niya, yung pag-transfer sa atin, or pwede naman sila magdala dito, tapos yung maintenance niyan tira sa atin na, di ba, malaking na rin tulong sa atin yun na mapababa yung natin, yung cost ng pagbili natin, di ba? Konti na lang yung natin na kumbaga ang idadagdag din natin sa pag-maintain na lang nito at pag-deliver nito, di ba? At least to Viper attack helicopter na dalawa, di ba? Sana in the future pa madagdagan pa yung katulad sa Japan, di ba? Sana din din nila yung attack helicopter nila, bigay din sa atin after nilang i-decommission, o pwede namang before nila i-decommission i-donate na sa atin. Yun ang di ba? At least ang importante kasi sa atin ngayon, madagdagan yung ating assets, either brand new yan or second hand or decommission yan, whatever man yan, at least ang importante is madagdagan ng ating military assets sa ngayon, di ba? So yun, so ito, panoorin na natin mga idolo.
There are currently 2 Bell AH-1Z Viper attack helicopters waiting for a new home. These helicopters were originally ordered by the Pakistan Army Aviation Corps in 2018 as part of their modernization efforts. However, due to geopolitical complications, the delivery has been indefinitely delayed, and all signs suggest that the deal will not push through. This situation raises an important question.
Diba? Pagkakataon na, saan ba yan? Sa bansa? Jordan? Dito kasi tayo nakikinig.
There are currently 2 Bell AH-1Z Viper attack helicopters waiting for a new home. These helicopters were originally ordered by the Pakistan Army Aviation Corps in 2018 as part of their modernization efforts. However, due to geopolitical complications, the delivery has been indefinitely delayed, and all signs suggest that the deal will not push through. This situation raises an important question. Which country will have the opportunity to acquire these 2 powerful war machines? One strong candidate for acquiring these helicopters is the Philippines.
So hindi pa pala sure sa atin. Ba't sinakalagay dito? The United States will donate sa ating bansa. Wala pa naman kasiguraduhan na sa atin pala to i-deliver or sa atin to i-donate. O baka sa dulo nitong video na to doon pa lang sabihin. Pero dito sa sa kapanood lang natin, which one pa lang, wala pang idea. So wala pa tayong pakipag-usap din sa United States na yun yan, sa atin ibigay ito. Wala pa pala. Yun nga lang ang problema. Akala ko pa naman na sa atin na talaga ibibigay ito. Saya ko pa naman. Kasi may sigurado na tayong panibagong na ipapalit sa ating dinicommission na ng mga Cobra helicopter natin. Pero di pa pala sigurado. Yun nga na.
As a key ally of the United States in the Indo-Pacific region and a country actively modernizing its military, the Philippine Air Force, PAF, stands to benefit significantly from adding these advanced attack helicopters to its arsenal. The AH-1Z Viper is one of the most sophisticated and combat-proven attack helicopters in the world today, boasting formidable capabilities. Equipped with a GM-114 Hellfire missiles, 2.75-inch rockets, a 20mm 3-barrel rotary cannon, and advanced night fighting systems, the AH-1Z Viper is built for modern warfare. This is not just a helicopter, it is a lethal and highly effective force multiplier that can dramatically enhance any military's combat capabilities. If these two AH-1Z Vipers were to be transferred to the Philippine Air Force, they would provide a significant boost to the country's close air support, CAS, and counterinsurgency operations. The PAF has been actively seeking new attack helicopters to enhance its ability to engage hostile forces, especially in dealing with terrorist threats and insurgencies. While the Philippines already has an ongoing attack helicopter acquisition program, these two Vipers would still be a valuable.
Diba? Dadagdag natin yung ating-anim na T-129 if I'm not mistaken, diba? Yung attack helicopter natin. So may plano ulit na bumili ng 6 para maging isang squadron na. At maganda rin kung madadagdag din to. Kasi nawalan tayo ng 2 Cobra. Sana na siya na. Marami na tayong attack helicopter. Pero kung magbibigyan tayo ng US, yun na sa atin na mapunta to, eh talagang magandang balita yun at dagdag rin to sa ating ano na rin tayo. Uwi na tayo. Lutal-lutal na tayo. Kari tayo dyan. Diba? So ang kaya nga sabi ko maganda pa rin na mayroon tayong dagdag kaysa na, diba, bumili na tayo at least to donation. Diba? Kahit pa paano ano na rin to, dagdag asset sa ating attack helicopter. Sana matuloy. Sana nga sa ating ibigay. Medyo confusing lang yung description kasi kala ko sa atin na ibinibigay, hindi pa pala. Pero sana nga in the future sa atin na ibigay ito. Kung gaano kalakas ang ating bansa sa US, tingnan natin.
Addition, particularly considering their advanced avionics, precision targeting systems, and battlefield-proven effectiveness. Given that these helicopters are currently grounded and awaiting a new recipient, there is a strong possibility that they could be acquired under a favorable deal. If the United States offers financing options or grant assistance, this could make the acquisition process even more viable for the Philippines. Opportunities like this do not come often, and if the terms are right, securing these helicopters would be a strategic move for Manila. Defense diplomacy will play a crucial role in determining where these helicopters ultimately go. If the United States is willing to transfer them to the Philippines under favorable conditions, it would not only be a major win for the PAF but also a significant step in strengthening defense ties between Washington and Manila. A stronger military partnership with the U.S. translates to better security cooperation, enhanced interoperability, and improved deterrence, key factors in maintaining regional stability. The AH-1Z Viper has a proven track record in combat and is specifically designed to operate in the most challenging environments. As an upgraded variant of the legendary AW-1 Cobra, the Viper features advanced composite rotor blades, an integrated target sight system, enhanced survivability features, and the ability to engage multiple targets with high precision. Its ability to operate both day and night makes it a critical asset for any military. For the Philippine Air Force, these helicopters would complement existing assets, providing much-needed firepower and versatility, especially in missions focused on counter-terrorism, maritime security, and border defense. The Indo-Pacific region continues to be a hotspot for geopolitical tensions, and securing advanced military assets such as the AH-1Z Viper would be a strategic step in bolstering the Philippines' defense posture. With the country's military modernization program moving forward, acquiring these helicopters under a favorable agreement could be a cost-effective way to strengthen air power while deepening strategic defense relations with the United States. The Philippines has already been working closely with the U.S. on various defense initiatives, and acquiring these Vipers would further solidify that partnership. Beyond firepower and operational capabilities, this potential deal also highlights the growing importance of defense diplomacy in today's security landscape. The ability to secure high-end military assets through negotiations and strategic alliances can be just as crucial as acquiring them through standard procurement channels. If the Philippines can secure these two Vipers with a good financing deal or through military aid, it would demonstrate a strong and proactive approach to national defense. As discussions regarding the fate of these two AH-1Z Vipers continue, it remains to be seen whether the Philippines or another allied nation will step up and seize this rare opportunity. One thing is certain: whoever acquires these helicopters will gain a formidable weapon system that can significantly enhance their air combat capabilities and overall.
Swerte talaga. Diba? Kasi upgraded to ng Cobra eh. So at least magagamit mo ba ito ng ilang taon pa? O isang dekada pa o dalawang dekada pa. Diba? Saka talagang dagdag sa sa Air Force capability ng iyong bansa. Kaya sana bilis-bilisan ng Pilipinas na kausapin ng US talaga kung gaano tayo kalakas sa US. Diba? Para sa atin ay ibigay itong dalawa na to. Kasi talagang laking bagay ito para sa atin. Diba? Kasi kung tutusin, 6 pa lang yung natin, yung helicopter natin talagang masasabi. Diba? Kung matagdagan to, di 8 na. Kung matuloy pa yung 6, di masasabi natin nasa 14 na. Pero kulang na kulang pa rin yun, diba? Kung tutusin na fleet ng helicopter, sobrang liit pa rin nun, diba? Sobrang tagal pa natin bago pa madagdagan yan. Maparami yan. Kaya sana nga every year mag-procure tayo ng mga gamit ng pamilitary para at least mapunan yung pagkukulang natin sa mga helicopter o anuman, di ba? Pwede maging counterpart niya, kumbaga.
Defense strategy. In an era where military preparedness is more crucial than ever, securing such an asset could make a major difference in maintaining security and regional stability.
So nakasalalay na lang to sa ating gobyerno paano natin makukuha to, diba? So abang-abangan na lang natin kung sa atin tayo mapalad na mapipili para mabigyan itong dalawang Viper helicopter na to. O kung hindi naman, ganun talaga ang buhay natin. Siyempre, maraming kaalay din ng Amerika. Baka sa ngayon, may nakakausap na rin yung mga yan. Diba? Kaya hindi naman din natin mapipilit na sa atin talaga ibigay yan. Ang ganun-ganun lang. Diba? Kasi marami siyang kaalay na bansa rin eh. Na malamang sa malamang gusto makuha rin to. Lucky na lang tayo kung tayo talaga mapipilit. Diba? So, pagdasal na lang din natin yan. At ating gobyerno gawin ang dapat nilang gawin para yun nga makuha nila yan, yung deal na yan, at sa ating i-donate ng US yan Viper helicopter, diba mga idolo? So abangan na lang natin tong balita na to sa susunod natin vlog kung meron na. So maraming salamat kay Update PH sa kanyang video. Lalagay ko sa description down below ang full video na to, pati po kanyang YouTube channel. Huwag niyo po kalimutan na mag-subscribe po sa kanya. At syempre huwag niyo po rin kalimutan na mag-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Hit niyo po yung notification bell at yung like button. At huwag niyo po kalimutan na i-follow din po ako sa aking Facebook page na Alam Nyo Ba. So guys, dito na po tayo nagtatapos. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi. God bless us all. Bye-bye.